again.
Okay.
Yeah. Uh, so we are heading towards previous day low. We have the Asian low still intact. I like that. We have equal lows over here.
I have only one set of equal lows,
Yeah, that's
which
nice.
is 2, 612, and maybe
Two six
535 is
twelve
like,
and then 635. Five. Sorry, 535.
yeah. And we have I mean, we have like all-time highs at equal highs.
Yeah.
Maybe like 846, 75 or something. We just
Okay.
topped out pretty hard, by the way. I believe we can slowly but surely get back down.
Yeah,
This is like,
619 probably we can. Okay, what else we have? 15 minutes.
all right.
Okay, we have filled the entire opening gap. So,
Not 840 is the entire, so not the entire gap.
yeah, just a second. Yeah, just a second, brother. I'll check.
Okay. Yet to fill.
What's up?
Market is just bullish generally, so it's a little change.
Hmm.
Okay. I mean, it was just aggressive the past 2 weeks, and right now it's just generally bullish.
Yeah.
I believe we go up from here. It's just I don't really have anything too long, like only continuation longs, but I won't do those. I won't do those because it's hard for me still to place a tight, like a decent stop loss on them and have a decent risk reward as well. I could get along on 780.50 in theory. But my stop should either be like 756 or 770. And this is too much. And this is too tight, probably. Didn't have a retest. Are you trading? No, what are you doing?
I am just trying to buy an account. I got a new
No,
card.
still not. A new card. Right.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. We'll come back. Back. I'm interested what happens on all-time highs. I don't really want to short it, but if it's hard rejected, then I might consider something. I played some poker on Sunday, some cash games. It's like $25, 20, 25. I don't know.
You made $25?
No, I won $20. I went from like 15. No, I went from like $21 down to like, I don't know. My lowest was around 15, and then I figured out how these guys play on these. I don't know, like just like me, they are amateurs as well, I guess, playing these very low, like I don't know, like low cash game, you know, like not so big, not a big stake game, right? So I figured like almost any time if I raise above like $1, they just throw it away. So like I just printed money on almost every fucking flop. If I had anything, like barely, I just raised one and took one basically. So
Khalas, you
one to
should
one or
become a
something.
gambler. You should become a gambler.
Poker is not gambling though. It's a little different. It's kind of like trading, but it's harder. By the way, it's a game. It's a game. It's a very, I don't know. You can get
Finally,
very
I have
skilled
an
in it.
account, bro.
Oh, that's nice. I'm interested maybe here, like if I can get a longer, maybe I'm not sure yet. I want to see those highs taken out first, all-time highs and everything, and we'll see what happens. But I don't want to enter like a range bound market, so like at the high end of it. I like the fact that we held here for a sec. I just want to see it like try and then fail right now. Okay, it did not really fail. Okay, we're range bound. Awesome. Come on, reverse candle. Reverse that candle. Ten seconds, please. Go green. 10 tones.
हेलो
सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम सलाम। क्या हाल है वसीलियत?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह भाई, तुम बताओ।
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
हाँ भाई।
अच्छा ये बताओ, तुमको याद है ना रमजान में अपन वो
क्या करे थे? हाँ डायना, हाँ सेम डे था भाई। हाँ रमजान, रमजान में कब? हाँ 2 डायना 2 अलग दिन। यस ओके चलो राइट।
I want to see if we hold this internal sweep.
Pakistan has been reclassified from South Asia to the Middle East.
I might trade NQ and not MNQ because again the wicks are a little too crazy. What do you think?
I suggested you the same thing the other day because as per your risk parameters, you can at least afford 2 contracts or like 1 contract. The risk might be less at times, but at least it won't slip you like crazy.
Yeah.
So I would suggest you to do the same thing. Don't risk more. If the risk is less, very well and good. At least you have the data and your idea works. That would be my suggestion.
I want to be around 500. So
Yeah,
if it's 6, I don't care. If it's like 7, 8, I take like, I want to be as close as possible. I think I can be as close as, but like pretty close to 500. I mean, let me check. Like, for example, I want to risk like 500 bucks. Yeah, like, look, it's around like, okay, let's say I'm going to take a trade. Like, it's 400 from here to there. Like, it's good. It's cool. Here it's like 300. If I go with 2 contracts, it's like 600, right? So I take the 600 in that case. I wanted some longs around here, by the way. Oh well. Can't really just take it right off of, like, right off the rape. That's really how it works. Yeah. That's alright. Like, I could take 750-ish. Maybe this one here. Not super interested yet.
Me neither.
I'm like, I would take something in down around here if it's like very easy looking, because we swept these lows or tried to sweep everything and it didn't really work. And market generally bullish. We didn't fill the gap yet, held a half. So it's like I have the A to B set up basically, working still or in play. So I can follow that. So I can only take longs above 720, nothing else. Below 720, I can consider shorting into like 612 and 599.75. So I want to see if we can hold up here. If that's possible, then I kind of like longs. I just want to see them like see something happen. We have a bullish OB, and let's see what happens right here. Are we dumping or not? If we're not dumping, then I'm interested a little bit. I might take a position then. If we're not dumping, I would like to see like 739 hold, just wicket or something. Reverse. If that does not happen, then I can take any longs and reconsider them at all. Okay, not really looking like a reversal yet. Still did not close. Okay. Like the mean threshold of this, if this becomes a bullish order block, I would take the mean threshold of it. Okay, so right now it did become a bullish order block. I would like to take like 747. Whoa, it's just rocket ship, like it's not even. Huh.
Bro, how do you set this thing up over here on Trade08? Like, I put this thing over here. Can you see my screen?
Not yet. Let me put my order and then I can.
Okay.
It's just running away without me. Cool. Let me check your screen. I don't see your screen in Discord. Can you show me?
Yeah, do you see it now?
Yeah? What do you need?
Just a second. Yeah. So
Same thing I use?
yeah, same thing you use. So it's showing
Go
200
to units.
MNQ.
Go to units.
Yeah,
Units.
but how is it 200 when, for instance, the price is here? I want to place market orders. and my stop loss is being
Go to units.
yeah.
Select units. No, not there. Up. Yeah. No. Left. Below. Down. Like brother here.
Okay.
Risk USD. Yeah.
Risk USD. Wait. Risk USD.
And then you type your risk. Right now it's 10,000. That's not good.
Sorry, it's 200.
500.
200.
200. Then it's not gonna risk above 200. It's gonna
Okay.
risk like up to 200. So if your risk is like too wide for still for MNQ as well, then yeah. Actually, if you place,
Doesn't it auto detect and move to sell?
it does,
It's not.
but it's not now it does. Look at my screen.
Huh?
No, maybe it's not. Yeah, it is. No, it's not. I don't know, brother. But it doesn't matter. You go market and you just right click, copy, paste, and you can buy or sell and ding. Okay, that's it. That's all you need to do. So you go right click your stop loss, you paste your stop loss in, and you press market order, and you never risk above 200 to that stop loss. Yeah, but right now it's a very range bound action, and we tried higher, so probably we take out this wick on the bottom potentially. At this point, I don't really want to touch it. This candle is a little suspect for me still. Spun on one. Slow. Maybe for later, I guess. Let's see if we come back the same way. So
It's a slow Monday.
it is 100%. I won't really shoot for huge, trendy take profits.
So, until then, let's talk about something else. I read a couple of things. Let me show it to you. Let me send it to you just a second. Yeah, send it.
And what is this?
So you read this every day before trading.
Okay. Did you write it?
No, I got it from somewhere.
Alright.
But it makes sense. Read it. and then tell me what do you think. Okay. So I am trying these shots because there was a sweep on the
what?
32nd that I wanted, and then there is an inversion as well. So I want to do that.
Inversion on the 32nd. This is a complete range on the 1 minute and on the 5 minute as well, or 50, yeah. But okay, you want this to expand from here, like that's the thing. Like
I want to go break even at 716.
Right now. Not right now.
Not right now. As 716 gets taken out.
Okay, but it's going up and down, like nothing else. Like one every 2 minutes. Like this is a little bit looking different, by the way, this time, but I'm still not convinced. Like right now, this is sketchy. Like going back above like 750 is sketchy. 750, 75 or whatever. But right now it's rejecting. Actually, you might just got it. By the way, I don't know. No clue. We have like a one volume imbalance to hold you down as well. Hold your trade.
So
I don't know. But rejecting the lows actually, it's fine, looking fine. But if this one fails here, that's interesting.
I want it to close below 34. If it does, which it did, I am break even. I do not want to risk anything.
Oh, I thought you were waiting for like 716.
Yeah, but then like I do see that it is a chop. If it wants to fail, this is where it should fail because it has already closed below 734. I do not see
Yeah.
the only reason I could see it coming back up is 757. The reason being that is the candle without the wick. But besides that, I do not see that. It should like flush until 716 at least. Like
I'm not
right
sure.
now. Like
If it
it's,
needs to do anything, we have equal highs. We
yeah,
swept these lows.
we do have equal highs, and that's the reason like I'm skeptic, and I am break even. Like I don't want to lose any money on it.
But this wick is still like good to run. 716, but there is a high time frame level above it. Right here. This is high time frame level. So let's see if we can lose it. It's probably losing it. Like it's not a wall. More likely to lose it than not. It's going one direction. It's down. Okay. My fucking god, bro. Let's just tick below that 16. Then I like anything. Just wants to do it. Just do it. I would call this 681 a sort of liquidity, but did you get break even on this?
Yeah,
Push back up?
I got break even.
Shit. It's still possible to just die, I guess.
It's alright.
And just mid equal lows, huh? Complete equal lows, equal highs, and this will be a very choppy morning session. Probably no trades for me if this doesn't expand at all. We'll see if it does. Actually, it felt a little weak how it pushed back up. Let's see. I can't short at all above 720 until we reach like the high of the gap. It kind of looks like a fake out or something. Back to the upside before we run those lows. But it's still holding a little bit. I can't long this shit. Crazy. No, I might just leave and come back in like 2 hours when this range is decided. I guess you can just long come more on and get 780 and then get break even because he comes back.
Bro, did you read the manuscript?
Yeah, half of it.
Why?
I don't know why. River sent me and the market's moving.
Okay. No, it's not moving right now. It's chopping. You can read it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you read it and then I'll tell you what my plan is.
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam, sir.
Yes, brother. Where are you?
I am on the way, sir. Like, I got an accident. That's why I got.
Allah speak. All good?
Yeah, all good. My back gear has been, from the back, he has hit.
Oh, so it was not your mistake.
No, in half an hour it will done.
Okay.
That's why I got it late, sir. Sorry, sir.
No worries. Don't be so sorry. Are you coming or will you come tomorrow?
What time will you be there on the
I am here till 9:10. Oh, okay. Yeah, it works for me today or tomorrow. Anything. Okay, let me know if you want to come today. I am here till 10. And if you want to come till tomorrow, yeah, but like, sorry? Yeah, no. Are you done reading?
Yep.
So, my plan is, what I've noticed is there is never a good trade right after you take a loss.
Are you sure?
I'm sure like 95%.
About my trades or your trades?
About everyone's trades, man. This is like, okay, you give me a logic behind it. So you just got in a trade. Reason with me, I might believe you. It's nothing like that. I'm just putting out an opinion. So
Okay.
you got in a trade, you lost a trade. Okay.
Okay.
Do you really think that right now you just lost it and within next 1 minute you're going to re-enter again? Do you really think that is a wise thing to do? Over your experience, what do you think?
No, no, no. That's not at all. Like maybe like if another setup shows up, then yes.
Yeah, and the setup does not show immediately.
Usually, yeah, 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 yeah. Usually the trades which are the good ones, usually the ones you just enter, and then
Hmm.
that's it. That's it. Like no hesitation and some like
That's
things
perfect.
like that of that
That's
nature, right?
perfect. And even if it's
Yeah.
so basically, whether we lose money or we make money, the end goal is to trade good. All right. So even by following all your rules, you lost it. It's all right. It's part of the game. Okay.
Yeah. One
Get it?
second, brother. Sorry.
No worries. No worries.
Kitchen. Nem felejtelek el.
Hmm. I don't like this. साढ़े पाँच अरे कुछ सही
I'm back.
yes brother देखा
So where we left off?
what I was saying was so you get the point that I was trying to make right
Yes.
Yeah. So after every trade that you win or you lose,
Yeah.
you talk about, you read that manuscript first.
The whole thing is like, okay, you can. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sure. Why not? Okay, we can do that.
Uh,
You
sorry?
wanna read the manuscript every
After
time you
every,
take a trade?
yeah, after the trade. So before before the trade, not before the trade, sorry, right after the trade. Like you get in it and you read it.
Do you think it's gonna like ingrain in our mind at
I
some
don't
point,
think it.
like be the bedrock,
I don't think
so
it.
we
I
don't
know it.
forget? Okay, let's do that. It's up on my other screen. So, let's see.
Yeah. So I took this trade. I got break even. I did it, and it just stopped me from rushing anything. I marked my levels.
Okay.
I have this liquidity sweep that I was eyeing, but what concerns me is there are more equal lows.
Yeah,
So I don't really like this thing. But then we also have this thing.
we have a lot of things.
Yeah. So I don't see a real clear direction. Overall, yes, we were bullish, but what about today? It seems bullish, but we are still in a range between the new week opening gap.
It's a little bit topping out
Yeah.
to my eye, at least. So it wouldn't be something like very like crucial for the trend to run this and run this.
Hmm.
Like I don't even look for running this low actually. I don't
Why?
even look for that. It's marked, but I'm not sure if we need to do that before running all-time highs again. So I will be eyeing like 599 super hard. 599 after the sweep is very important to my eye. Like that would be probably the setup for the day if it shows something there,
Why
like a very high chance.
599?
599.75 is the weekly opening gap low, and above that is this 612, 26,612.
Oh yeah, 599 is
Yeah,
the.
so it's very close to each other. And usually when the high time frame level is not retested properly and have equal lows above it, usually it gets ran
Hmm.
the same day or like basically like yeah, if on the 15-minute usually we run it in New York session.
Hmm.
So if we do that and we make like any sort of a chance, if NQ makes like a potential reversal structure or something, I'm all in on it, easy. That is the trade that I really want to take. And before that, I don't want to blow these two loss limits. That's the thing. And so I'm super careful here because,
Yeah.
like,
Makes
even
sense.
if I get the direction right, I get break even very often at this spot. So I guess you can play the extremes of this range, but I don't really think that's a good idea.
Hmm.
It feels like it's a little heavy, especially now. If this wick holds price down, then then I could look for continuation trades, but I don't want to. And right now it holds price down this week. So we might die quick and break this range. Like 7, 10, 50 gotta be taken for that, but and the wick closed over this particular wick. Might happen in 15 seconds. We'll see. 8 seconds. And then the A to B becomes basically 599.75. No, actually, it does not. It does not. No, it's still this one. Unfortunate. Yeah, I can't short this range.
I cannot short it either. I want to see it fall. I want to be a part of the reversal, like if it happens, because yeah, maybe some sweeps.
Like below this 535, like the next set of equal lows are.
Like I want to try the shots. I don't have any bias against the shots, but I want to see some sweep towards the upside. There are so many equal lows.
Yeah. I like the fact that we build this type of liquidity. So like if we take out 612, then these will be very good trend-based liquidity to run. So I hope there's some hopium to do that. Probably I gotta wait until that happens. I don't wanna take a single unnecessary loss like last time. My numbers are correct. There's nothing else. Again, this is another huge gap, by the way, just like the last one. So
Yeah. Probably it will fill this and then like rally for the next entire week like crazy.
you think so?
Probably.
I
I don't
mean, look
know
at this.
why the hell is it so bullish. Like I genuinely do not understand.
I
But it
read
is what
something
it is.
that basically Trump is just talking, 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 and never really executing
Hmm.
what he says. He's just big talker. And the market dumped on a couple of talks of his on stuff that he said, but actually it never came true. And right now the market just gave it up, and we go back up, I guess. But new all-time highs when the economy is going a little shit because of this.
26,884 are the new all-time highs.
Yeah, it's pretty close, like 150 points, not that much. It's bouncing even weaker and weaker every time off of these lows.
I'll come back, man. I'll go to the washroom.
All right. So here we go. Just hold this gap. Hold the whip. Never really retested 720.
Okay. Slowly, but probably surely.
Probably surely. Now which one? Surely.
Slowly
Here
and
we
surely.
are. Never retested 720.
Please do not try the shot.
Nah,
Yeah,
I can't.
good.
Like, I can't really do that. Especially not here. If I really wanted some shorts, I
No, you
could have
do not
tried these.
want them.
If the system said shorts, I would have shorted this candle maybe. But if I was really, yeah, convinced, then the bearish will be here. But it's not surprising to me, at least. This move sort of was expected after that failure, that very small bounce, taking out the wick. Nothing happened. Immediate rebalance failed. It's just, yeah, but it can't short into high time frame level like that. But let's see if we retest it. Probably the only way I wanna see this retest is just a wick and then a candle body close down around here. Like a big wick up if it happens. And that's it. We'll be fine with that. Similar thing, but not right there. Whatever. Well, so last week I lost like $400 only, by the way, with those two losing days.
That's nice. Really nice.
I made like 3.8k. Okay, in one day basically because I lugged it out a little bit with Trump news.
Mm-hmm.
That was like the first week of this month.
Mm-hmm.
Second week of this month was 800, 888, 300. So that's like 2k as well. And the
Mm-hmm.
last week it was minus 400. So yeah, I'm up like 5,500 with the system, and here I'm up 5,400 with the system. No, with the account, because I started with a minus 1,000.
That's nice.
So slowly but surely, right?
Yeah, slowly but surely.
Um, we made more equal lows.
Yeah.
We have 12 minutes on this 15-minute, by the way. We could easily go. You know what I don't like about the type of market we have right now? I'm in this price action.
Hmm.
You have like one chance to short where you don't get break even, and it runs for two candles, then it goes sideways, and it either continues or completely breaks you even if you don't trail on it. That's what I hate about this. I much rather like to have those
Yeah, but the thing is, markets are not ideal.
chill runs.
If they would have been ideal,
Yeah,
everyone
it
would be
wouldn't
making
work.
money.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's more
Somebody has
about
to lose,
adjusting,
right?
adapting.
Somebody has to lose. The
Somebody
zero
has
sum
to lose.
game. That's why it's so hard because it's a zero sum game.
Yeah.
Every game which is not zero sum, it's easy to be good at. This is a zero sum game, so you gotta take from someone else. Imagine the markets without actually like traders.
Hmm.
Like how would it move? It would be like very illiquid, right?
You know how would it move? I'll show you.
Like you, like somebody decides, okay, I wanna buy some IQ, and it just shoots up 1,000 points. Like okay,
See, this is how it would move.
what is this? It's not traded or what?
It's a Saudi's stock market.
Nice market. You
Yeah.
you buy every what is that? 1 minute?
This is one
You gotta like measure the average true range of a 1 minute candle and just buy limit order at the average true range low and
minute.
sell at the average true range high and you print money. It's that easy, right?
So easy.
Okay, here you go. That's the retest to the. So at this point, I can short, but that's why I'm saying you have one chance to get in, and then you get a couple candles which just run, and then you go sideways. We'll see this, like which one this is. Probably that one. Huh. Risk is too much. Yeah, like dude.
Wow. What a entry, man. Look at my entry, bro.
You want the shorts?
Crazy.
Are you sure? No fucking. Oh my god.
Ow.
Holy shit. Trail, brother, get out. What is like? This is not sustainable at all.
It's cool, man. This is like my. I want to see this NWOG load to be taken out.
What low 612 is taken?
612 is taken, not. I guess I'm out. No, I'm not out.
Bro, what? Okay.
This was so.
We retest 599 though. So.
This was so crazy.
Oh, you didn't buy an account? Why are you
No,
trading NQ?
I did. This is a trade that I was trying. Just this is my account. I'm not trading on this because that's not my
Brother,
setup. But
I was really thinking you took the short.
I took it on my
Oh my.
other super trading account. Like I was just trying this. So on the 3 minute, there was this sweep, small sweep, reacting from this fair value gap.
Okay.
There was this order block. So order block aligned with this fair value gap. This is where I placed my limit order. It just tapped in and crazy.
That was crazy. That was
Really
insane.
nice.
So we. Okay. So you kind of need 599 to be tested, to be honest, in order to get long below 720. Because as long as we're below 720 and did not retest the gap low, we can't really take anything. Maybe it's daily. What the fuck was that, by the way?
Yeah.
Trend traders getting out, or I don't know. Holy moly! What did the MNQ do? Weak to like 400 or something?
No, I did pretty much the same thing.
Mm-hmm. So this time it's not different by like 100 points or something.
Hmm.
All right.
I really love trading, bro.
That was interesting. Wow. So this is the example that we did not have liquidity below 26,680. So we could have like these lows, these right here.
Insane.
So we did not have any liquidity below until these lows. Or we had some news or something? No, it's like 450 or whatever, 451. Oh no, 1051. My bad. If this wick would have traded like 600, I would buy the half of the wick, by the way. Like, easy. This way, can't really do that. Let's just wick it again, bro. Let's think
Probably.
about that. What about that? Tomorrow the peace is over, or this agreement on peace at least. By the way, USA and Iran.
I don't trust Trump anymore.
I don't trust. That's what the radio said at least in the morning. Trump talk is just talk.
Fuckers
Don't
crazy,
care.
man.
That was a very interesting trade. I'm not gonna lie. Like, you entered up like above 700, which is even crazier actually. Did you enter on previous candle,
I entered on the 3 minute fair value gap.
or you entered the fair value gap? Okay,
So
the
I
push
placed
up.
a limit order over here after looking at this sweep over here because these equal lows had to be taken out, in my opinion.
If this holds, I'm gonna cry. I wanna see that gap low retested. So we're below the half of this week. It's probably gone. I hope. It's trying to bounce a little bit. Motherfucker. Oops, sorry, it's YouTube. Then whatever. Just do it. Oh my god, man.
You guys got.
Yeah, the half of the week. Awesome. Just can do it. Gotta be disciplined. Sit here all day, do nothing. Do we have more? No, like 535 is the only. Okay. What about this small thing here? Overlap, goes above, still valid. I can use this as well. Ah, shit. 18 by 28 Jan. Could be used as some sort of way. Guidance. Now let's see the level. Bote papote. So my maximum stop loss is actually 100 ticks. Are you here?
25 points.
Yeah, like 100 ticks, but yeah, so it's fine, yeah. Like kind of, I mean, something like that. So like, I don't really want to go above. I mean, if I get like, let's say
Bro,
120.
no, don't increase your risk, reduce your risk. I would not suggest you to increase it by any chance. 500, if it's less, it's better, it's good, but if it's perfect, then that should be it. Don't increase it by $100 or $50. Seriously, trust me, Donnie. Risk 500. 500 is the perfect risk. So you know.
But I can't risk 500 to the T. I can't risk 500. I don't want to buy this right off the rip. I don't, like, I need some sort of confirmation.
So for you, it's like you can go up to 2 contracts. How? Usually your risk is anywhere between 12 to 20, 22 points. You get it? That's your risk most
Yeah,
of the time.
like that, something like this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But
Yeah.
it differs. Like if the market will move like 50 points a candle, then I'll go back to MNQ then.
Yeah, if that is the scenario, then yes, you can go back to MNQ. But if it's within 25 points, it's within 12 points, you take two contracts. It's more than 12 points, you take one contract.
Yeah,
So
something like
two
that.
is your limit, and then like if you wanna get ticked out again, fuck around, then you can go back to MNQ.
If you wanna get kicked out again,
I am stuck with MNQ.
why? Your R because your account size. Yeah.
Yeah, my account size. But for you, this would be my suggestion, and the rest would be your choice.
Yeah, I consider it. I consider. Yeah, it's not a bad idea. Yes, but I don't really wanna like size very inconsistently. I wanna
It's
be
not.
around 500.
Yeah, you could be around 500. That's all right. But if you really want to do
If
that,
it's
then
like
like you should stick to MNQs, because NQ I would not suggest you to risk more than 25 points. 25 points is the threshold.
that's like yeah 500. Okay, yeah, sure, sure, sure.
Yeah. So that would be my
But
suggestion.
sometimes I enter with a market order, so that's yeah.
And with NQ you have to be like very precise, because every point that you mess around is $20.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah. So you have to consider that, but please, for the love of God, do not think about increasing your risk.
I don't want to increase my risk at all.
Increase as in
I don't
like
want to
go
increase.
above 500. That is increase for me.
But I let it come below 500 as well at some
Yeah,
points.
below 500
So
is
it's
all
like
right
averaging out the risk.
in
It's
my
averaging
opinion.
out the risk. So,
In
so
my
if I
opinion.
risk 600 one time and risk 400 one time, like the second time, it's like average 500, right? The same
Yeah.
thing. What's not the same thing? Like, but actually, that's the same thing as well. Sometimes I win like 3R with 600, sometimes I win 3R with 400, and the average is the same overall. It's only I care about.
So
I won't risk like 1,000. That's not possible. That's not possible.
it's already
Like
11:05 and we have zero trades. I really like it.
you
Because
like that we don't have trades. I don't like that. I want to see something here. Either we just flush and hold below this and make a trendy day, which is expanding lower below 535. I'm like shooting for like these 278s, or I want to see new all-time highs today, running those highs that we left up there, because these are very crazy. And we are very one-sided. And
as
this
of
is
now, yes, we are very one-sided.
like all day. Like we made lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. It's all
So
lower highs.
if you can you see
A
my
lot
chart?
of.
This was my initial
Wait a
shot.
sec. I wanna. Wait. No. 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 I don't wanna. I gotta prepare to battle. Because if I see something very interesting here, then I wanna do it. Like an inversion here would be fine.
Yes.
But yeah, it would be fine, but that's like 136 ticks. Yeah, that's the problem. See, and 136 ticks would be around 650 ish. Yeah. So let's see. We just traded the fair value gap and immediately dumped. Like that's bearish. 535 is probably coming. Low of day. Well, hmm. We're very nicely rejecting actually the levels of the weekly gap. Let's see what happens. Can we get a reversal or from here, or how is it gonna play out? So we just turned red on the day.
Not
Below
bad.
599. So, hmm?
Yeah, we did.
It's 599.75 is the open on the day. Also the low of the gap. See how. So that's an immediate rebalance right there currently. Pretty aggressive. I don't necessarily want to see 535 to be honest. It's not like a must for me. Hmm. But it's coming. Coming in hot. Coming in hot. If we get above like 599.75, I want to take a long. Just like I want to see a candle hold it, and that's enough for me. The market is very bullish, not bullish, very aggressive. That so I expect aggression back up as well. Okay, we just shoot through the whole thing. Can I see this hold here?
Order filled. Order filled.
Wait a sec. Wait a sec. I want to see it like really just. It's not enough. I just got a little paralyzed by this candle, but I want to see it actually hold. Okay. So I copy. Good. We're a little bit overreacted on this. So let me see this just hold. Basically, I don't really want to sit back in the gap, but that's again very tight. Okay, I'm in. I can't be in the 500 limit, bro.
Order filled.
Okay. Well, that's interesting. 18 points. All right. Yeah, we got risk reward on this. That's not what I wanted as an entry point for sure, but it's fine. Let's see. How much am I risking? So buy limit. So I'm risking like 380 points. 80 points, $380. Abdul, can you hear?
Yeah, I can hear you. I am just planning my trade right now. Just give me like.
Let's hold this for Vega, please. Or don't. I'm fine with both. So this is the low that got taken, 612, and we're rejecting it. That okay, right now we're above it.
Okay.
So we're rejecting the swept low.
This is not for me. I'm glad. I'm not in it. It's alright.
Well, it looked good. It looked good.
Yeah, it did look good, but I still want to see now. Now at this point, I want to see 535.
Honestly, 535 if I get ticked out, if I get stopped down. Like, this is not bullish at all.
Yeah.
Like, not, it's not like a correct V shape, but
Stop.
It
still,
is. It is.
some bullish. Okay. So we are back in the Vega, which, in my opinion, could have made a big rally. But if we can leave an open for Vega leader, I guess. But I'm not entering on this. And I need more confirmation, like 612 holding and everything. Okay. Well, this is the sort of thing where the 1 minute leader entry might be a decent idea. But I want to see like 612 retested, like off of this, and not being annihilated again. Like holding up on it, that's a bullish OB as well. To show something, the willingness to make a new high. I got slipped a big time, by the way, with this market order. At President, I got filled like way higher than I wanted. I wanted these 607s, and I got filled on like 614. So this is 612, which is important. Let's see if we can like bounce out of this 612. The market didn't really care about this Vega being like inversed and then I'm interested. Interested in this. Just want to see a little more. Hold that thing. Push a new high. Then retest. No? Okay. Let's go.
Stop filled.
So I'm stop filled into the trade. And it's not running yet.
So I want the closure above 28, and then I can consider getting in it. Whoa.
Actually, with this, I'm risking the same amount I was risking on the losing one. So it's actually nice that I'm not risking like 2 times. Like uh, what I'm talking about. I'm so not risking half of what I lost previous time. At this point, I really want to see this gap left open, so I will trail break even. We just took this new high, right? So IMB. So if we come back from something like this, it's not like then I will look for 535, and I won't take any longs. I want to see a fair value gap here. We have this tiny one, but let me see a fair value gap here. Or break me even. I'm good with that as well. So we just swap the high currently, at least. Let's see.
I am in it as well with
We
two
might tick
contracts.
into this gap.
With two
Might tick into the
contracts,
gap. Okay.
risking $200. Not 200. What am I risking? My entry is at 35. My stop loss is 94. I am risking like 160, $170. Yeah.
It's good. We just liquidity swap the fucking high currently. We might tick into this fair value gap. I don't really love the idea, but it's probably gonna happen, right? And I want to see it like completely reverse from this tick. We just ticked into this gap. If it doesn't reverse it, then I got break even. Like half of this maybe or something. Just want to see this gap hold. I don't want to see it like completely fill in this thing. Okay. Alright, that is very fucking bullish at this point. Wow. I'm looking at all-time highs here, bro, to be honest. This
So
660 is
at the
the...
tick, I added one more contract, so I am in with like three contracts.
It's very illiquid to the upside and downside as well. You see, this is a little bit like, again, it's a different type of market than last week. So right now it's like super liquid stuff happening here. Like when do you see, or we are, oh, like maybe the volatility is low at this point? Like how big is this candle? Like 630 all the way waking up to like 668? Nah, it's volatile as fuck. Wow. Okay. So for that reason, I'm gonna trail to like 628 because it's super volatile. Don't wanna be,
I am
don't wanna
at
get
break
break
even
even sub.
because
What are these pops?
if it
Yeah, yeah.
wants to
What?
pump, this is where it should pump from, and if not, then I am happy with my two break evens.
Hmm. I am looking at like 778 as a target, and if we start like if we are gonna like show a lot of weakness of around like 26,720, half of this gap, then I will trail uh, out there. At this point, I'm seeing this as equal lows on the 4 hour. We might even reverse this 4 hour candle and push a new all-time high. That's possible as well in the New York session. Swap these. Let's see. We didn't take this 680.75 wick yet, so I'm not so worried about this one stopping me out at 628. Want to see a big pop from there. Okay, and the wick holding up. That would be nice. This wick on the day level. Oh, let me see this candle continue. Come on. 20 seconds. Just push higher a little. It's a little weak, but I like the big pops. Hmm. I'll be able to trail to 2R if we get above this wick. 680 close above 680, and I can trail to like 660. At that point, I don't want to see 660. This up wick is very suspect to be run in like right now or next candle. So I want to see a closure above 681 or whatever this is. Whatever, like blue line, doesn't matter. Okay. Do you want to see these equal lows ran on the 1 minute, these 2 wicks, or not? Abdul?
To be honest,
23 and the 25.
I wanted to close above 98.75. If that happens, then I believe we are good.
I'm looking at 720 at this point. 660 held. That's
My
like
my target is 743.25 because that is like my 50% consistency point.
we did not close that thing. It's a little concerning, by the way. We might run those 1 minutes. We might do that off of this one. But I don't want to overreact that either because we have everything. We have the what's it called? 612 sweep. We have the high time frame level here. Retested over here. It's complete 4-pillar setup. We have the confirmation. It's looking very good. So as long as 660 holds price, then we don't go back to like 599, 75. Right now a sweep is possible to run this 1123 wick low. Maybe hold the daily 652 or something like that. Coming back to like this wick. Or the daily. Yeah. Let's see. Moment of truth coming. Or not?
Another thing that I just noticed that it's 11:30.
This is 11:30, yeah. You're right. How do you know that?
I just looked at the time, and we have talked
Yeah.
about the 11:30 thing like a shit ton of times.
Yeah, but we never really took into account. But yeah, you want to see a low, like a strong low, and like a signs of reversal, and you want to see off of that the first, like it's good for the first set of equal highs. Okay, so that's a nice fucking pop. So 11:30 is like a fade against the trend, which happened from the open, but it doesn't say you run highs. It's not probable. You just maybe like a 50% retracement. Sometimes it completely reverses everything, which is possible right now because we're at all-time highs basically. So it's very possible. Question is, do we trail at this point? I can lock in like 2.4 hour below this candle. Yeah.
So at the low of that candle, I will lock in like 0.7 hour.
I can look in like 0.4. But the thing is, it's going to be ran in a second. So I either take it here or there. It doesn't need to be ran. Does it need to be ran? Like if we have enough liquidity to go higher, right? That's why we are in a trade. right?
It seems like that.
That's why we're in the trade at the first place. That's why we take these like we're getting in for the momentum basically, like of like a reversal. And we don't really need these. I mean, we can sweep, yeah, sure. But in theory, we're looking for liquidity to be run, so that's why market can move in one direction very strongly. Let's see if, but it looks like we want to run these. I just don't know if I want to give back like 2.4R, if I'm being honest.
Hmm.
I don't know where else to trail this.
I am at break even, so if it takes me out, it takes me out. I am.
Where did you get in?
35.50 is my entry. And
That's a
my
very good.
stop is at 37.50, like 2 points above, just to cover the commission.
So right now we're holding this 680 with a little high that we swept. Well, like the fact that we did not reach to 720, it kind of means that 75 holds, which is a very bad thing. Like I will trail strong, like I will trail very. I mean, not very aggressively, but much more aggressively above 720. But on these, like the start of the reversal, you don't want to be that aggressive. Candle could have popped it. Maybe that candle was the line in the sand. But it happened in like 15 seconds, that big candle. The candle was made in 15 seconds, basically. We're just slowly coming back to take it out. Are we gonna get like a candle like this?
I don't know, man.
Twoosh!
I am ready for both the outcomes.
Here.
Either it's break even or
Ah, no, 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 the same thing. The same fucking thing. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my Jesus. Alright. Like I can't do anything here,
neither can I.
to be honest. So this is like I will be able to look in 1.5R if we make if we like push and gain like a bullish OB. I will certainly do that because this if we were to go up, this should be a protected low. If this is not actually turning around and breaking us even. Well,
I'm getting out at break even probably.
we're not really dropping 30 seconds almost passed. So this marks the high of the candle usually. If we are about to go down and we're pushing up again. So I believe we're good.
Oh.
Yeah. I believe we are good.
Either way, by saying it again and again, I just want to be okay with it.
You want to be okay with what? Being break even?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's super hard. It's super hard.
But it is okay.
It's so easy to take a loss. It's so easy.
It's not easy to take a loss either.
It's easy to take a loss. It's easy. You just have to overreact. Something. Just get in. Just misread something. Make a mistake. It's so, yeah. Well, bro, I think we're cooked.
Well, it made a order block on 30 seconds.
Yeah, it made an order block on the 1 second as well.
1 minute.
1 minute, it didn't make a bullish OB on the 1 minute. That's why it's cooked,
And here
unfortunately.
I go.
Well,
It was good while it lasted.
yeah,
I'd just like
awesome.
that.
I need to set some very hard rule for trailing out. But this is decided that I'm break even right now, sure, but I don't want to change it around.
So I have a very strong feeling that it would tick me out like exactly at 37, 38, and then it
Move back
will
your stop loss to the. Move your stop back to your safe entry. Or safe stop.
So
Take a
I
safe
want
stop
to
then.
move my stop to 27, but the thing is that is not break even. I lose money. I don't want to lose money.
Okay, but if you like strongly feel like it's going back up, then right now it's actually looking decent, like pushing higher.
Don't say that, man. Come on.
Like I'm just seeing it from the far. I'm just seeing it from the far. It looks decent. Like it's not really dying. That's enough. So make a small range and push higher. I'm fine with that. The thing is, the second we try to break out again, that's where I will trail aggressively because if we make a range here, I don't know about that. Making a range on the bottom of this weekly gap is not really suggesting new all-time highs. So that's what I'm gonna do.
I'll go pee and come.
It's gonna be a profitable team, I guess. If it goes up. Kind of looks like it. Good. Come on, make a decision.
I'm back. Where are you?
Outside,
Okay.
waiting for this one to push a new high. Then you leg up, then a trail. Don't allow a fair value gap to be taken into off of closing above that high. Taken into taking this fine. Or half of it is fine, but complete refill is sketchy. Kind of looks that would look like a liquidity sweep for sure for me. So let's see if this stupid 15-second candle, which is a 1 minute, but it kind of made in 15 seconds. What's gonna what is this mean threshold will do? the price. Or maybe this daily. We didn't reach. We only reached this one so far. Just this tiny sweep. Well, I don't want to disagree with the market, but I hardly disagree leading these. Right? I really wanted to see a fair value gap left open on this one, on this candle. I really wanted that. Well, oh well. What are we gonna do here? What is happening? Like, I should trail 48. I don't see.
I'm also considering trailing to 48.
Well, it's gonna happen in a minute if we don't trail them.
So I trailed at 48.
Yeah, like I want to see this just hold up on this sweep that we had and everything. This could be a fine entry if it shows some willingness to hold. But if it doesn't, then what are we gonna do? Make a range here?
Yeah, it does not make sense. It should have pushed.
So if it does not push, then we get 535. So I want to see this hold like right now. Last fucking chance. But I think I screwed up my trail. I think I should have been below like 676 or something.
Stop filled.
God damn it. You out?
Yeah, I'm out.
Just take this. Oh my god. So I'm up like $74. Should be a 0.4. I should be a 0.4 R. I don't really like this. Might go back to MNQ. How different is it?
Right now it's not.
I want my 500 fix 500 thing. It should be up like $200. Well. Yeah, I will go back to MNQ, and if it takes me out with an insanely huge wick, then so be it. If it happens too many times and I lose too many trades because of it, then I will go to NQ. Then yeah. Well, I'm disappointed in this reversal, to be honest. I expected like a little bit like more juice to this. We just put in a high and then that's it. A range. Or what? Which came the bullish OB. We go back up or what? How would you want to get re-involved? If it, like, what should it like look like in your mind? Which works for continuation?
That's what I'm looking at.
Like 665 close shouldn't be enough, right? This very good thing right now.
676 close should be enough, I believe.
Well, that's still the range high.
Yeah,
Currently.
that's why I don't really like it.
I don't like this resweep. Like, we took this internal lows, this thing. I really wanted to see just a quick wick down and immediately up. Just didn't really happen. Well, I guess it's alright. I need some structure for trailing because this is little too loose. Because I was up like, how much on this one? So I got in on like this against this, and I was up 5R on this big high, right? Like, I gave back like 3.5. I mean, I'm not saying I can chill out on that 5, but I could certainly like, I could get out below this wick or whatever for a 3.3. That didn't look good at all. I always forget that I can get re-involved if I want to after the sweep. And if I take the 3.3 here and does something stupid and just bumps, then such is life, right?
Yeah.
What did we do on the 15 second on that one? Just going up and 15 seconds, yeah, just went up in 15 seconds, then only down. Like a stair, basically.
Just read the manuscript.
What?
Read the manuscript.
I'm not like, I'm not FOMOing or anything,
No,
but I'm reading it. Okay.
it's not about FOMO.
I want to fill the gap of exiting the trade. Like, I feel like I have issues doing that. If it doesn't look right, then it's probably not right. Yeah. Well, it's reversing. Like, what are we gonna do? Are we gonna dump? Only interesting thing for me today would be the run of this 535 and what happens off of that. No? Like, right? Like, other than that, what's gonna happen? Like, are we gonna make like triple equal lows with this 535 right here and bounce like that? I don't really think so. At this point, every fair value gap should hold. Just push price down. In theory, to run these. All right. Still not running. Just retesting the daily. Like a short here. Not happening. This is concerning me as well. If you want to short,
Yeah, I don't want a short. I was looking at the short, but I don't want a short.
me neither. This is the thing. Like,
Yeah.
I want to short if we like lost 535 and we can't get back above it, basically. Then I will look for shorts. Otherwise, like if we're above this 26,660, it's good. It's just stair stepping down. And this should have been it, in my view, a little bit. If we get above 660, I'm actually interested again. But my stop has to be like 638, which is actually fine because I can use MNQ to do it. I can find me the big retest down, which makes like a higher low. I'm good with that as well. And then I buy into that maybe. but that is still below this 660, which I need in order to get a long position. 660 just holds up. We are like kind of trying for the previous high.
So if it closes above 665, I will be interested in the longs again.
Interested or long?
I will. I will take the longs if it closes above 665. My stops are at 638. I'm risking like
638 stop loss. That is very fucking low.
yeah, but
I mean, that's very safe.
I'm only risking $200, like 160 at this price right now.
Oh, I get it. I get it. Like,
So I'm not risking more than 200 at any given point of time.
I know. Well, you need like a huge run, like basically back to day highs
Yeah.
to make
Bro, I have
something
a
with it.
25K account. I did not like, I want to be very precise. So this time I was like, let's just buy a 25K account. 600 is something that is achievable on a day. 625. So yeah.
That's the consistency rule.
Yeah, that's the consistency rule.
And how much can you risk? Like 1,000? That's the MML or what? How
Yeah,
much?
1000 is like MMS.
Uh-huh.
So 200 is perfect. It gives me 5 proper trades to execute. I've had 2 trades, both were break even.
I want to see maybe if we can hold something here. Um, I guess this is the bullish OB, which I mean, this one. That's the bullish order block. It's maybe this daily, but kind of a little rejection still. But we had this push, which is a little stronger than it should be looking, right?
Right.
It shows some strength. So back above 660, holding 660, I take 660. 660. That's like 3 660s in a row. So we're back above it. I take a retest to 660, or I take the daily retest. I don't care. I just want to take something retested because this is still like a setup. If we're trying to expand. The shorts are not looking so good at this point, I believe. But if this low gets taken out, then it's probably over for the long ideas, at least until we get to 535 or like this weekly gap low.
About.
Let's see. So it's still reject. Okay. Can we flip this candle maybe? That would be interesting. Okay. Am I a genius or what? This is interesting for sure. Oh yeah, it is. Hella fucking interesting. Holy shit. Wow. Um, Goes above my level, brother.
665.
No, it just comes back. I always place my order with a stop loss of 650. Well, interesting market. Interesting market. Very, very interesting.
Oh, you
So we just
visible.
Which one?
Your chart is visible now. Sure. Okay,
That's
so
not my
we did
execution
not
one.
get long. Even if it reverses from here, I won't be interested in it because it's not a V recovery. Everything else aligned, but in the end, it just messed up.
That doesn't concern me that much. So this is the last point of um, like it's sketchy. I don't want to take a sketchy trade.
Bro,
And my
it's 12. It's 12. You just close it. It's 12.
why? Like we have this move and that's all.
Yeah, but no, it's 12.
Close.
We trade till 12.
And that's a hard cutoff for you. Don't want to trade after 12.
Should be for you as well because we have always traded till 12. We were very
Yeah,
patient.
kind of.
We executed 2 trades. We were break even. You did not lose money. That is a win day. So I'm locking myself out. I am done. I had 2 break-even trades. That was amazing.
So the goal is not losing money. The goal is to execute good setups.
We did execute our setups. You did too.
Yeah.
You lost
I
one, you
did
won
too.
one. When you won one, you basically covered your first loss. So how is that not a win?
It's not really a win. But I don't need to win. I just want to see what happens off of this.
Yeah, we will see. I'm not saying that we won't see. I'm just saying that.
Like, I mean, I'm interested. I don't have the 535 mark here, but if we do this, then I'm not interested that much. If we start doing something like this, we make equal highs, equal lows, I don't care. I leave. But if we run the 535, then I'm interested still. So that I'm gonna set an alert for 535 and just wait. If you want, you can wait with me. Like you took a trade after 530, like 12 last time as well.
No. I
You
was
took a
in
trade.
a trade after 12, but I did not take a trade after 12.
I'm not sure about that. You also like you surpassed your loss limit and then you took a trade. Or maybe I didn't trade like after 12. I don't know, bro. I have no
Bro,
idea.
neither of us
I
traded
don't
after
remember.
12. I haven't traded after 12. I'm fucking sure.
All right.
I don't want to trade after 12. I waited enough, executed 2 perfect setups, got break even. What else can I do? There is tomorrow.
I mean the markets are open.
Yeah, the markets are open, but that does not mean that I have to make money today.
It doesn't mean that. Yeah.
Yeah. If it wanted to give me money, the market gods, I would have made money in the first 2 trades because the idea was there, the execution was perfect, everything was there. It just wasn't in my favor.
Actually, it was. I believe we screwed up on the exit part. I mean, we didn't run like these. Sure.
Hmm.
Phew, this scandal is very sketchy. Did we make that in? Oh, actually, we didn't make that in 15 seconds. Oh, we made equal lows. Okay. Did you lock yourself out?
Yeah, I locked myself off. So as per my stats over here, all the trades that I took after 12 are losses.
Really
Yeah.
nice. Because
So
you were tilting. Usually when you trade after 12, you are tilting. I
yeah,
believe that's why. But if you're
yeah.
not tilting and you wait till you have like a decent setup, not trading the chop at 12, if it chops at 12, right? Sometimes it doesn't chop at 12. You wait through the chop, you come back, you take a setup. If it
No, I
shows,
don't want to wait. I waited for 2.5 hours.
and the markets are open for 8 hours. 8 hours.
Who?
Hmm?
Who waits for 8 hours?
Who waits for 8? I don't know. A lot of people sit for 8 hours and watch for a setup, I believe. That's what day traders do, by the way, usually. Maybe they take a break on the choppy area and they work on something else. They backtest or whatever. But I mean, if your setup shows, you gotta be there. By the way, it's the other thing that we work beside this, like next to this thing, which doesn't really allow us to like, I don't know, like work all day non-stop. I
Yeah,
couldn't
even
focus like at night. At night, I couldn't really focus. But if I'm at break even, still no mistakes, no nothing. Maybe the mistake was not trailing higher. I I want to work on exits. I just don't know if I want to take partials. Maybe that's the way. I'm not sure. What do you think?
see, looking at your quantity, I believe partials are a good way to go. But then, like, you'll take it for a few days, and then you'll be like, no, I'm not making enough money, and then you'll go back to your old system. So rather stick to one you have, which is fully
Uh,
trading as per the RR.
I'm not really like I don't take a trade below 3R potential. That's all.
Yeah.
If it's like 10R potential, then it's okay. I don't need to wait for 10R. And basically, I got 3R here. That's the thing. I usually, uh, like, I need to make a hard rule about this because it's not okay to give back like 4 or 5R on a trade, on like a wide stop trade. I mean, so yeah. So like, how much I was up? Took this. I was up 5. If I trail like basically like below these whatever, like below the high time frame, below this, then it's 3 and 3.25, which is good, very good. And if I, and yeah, from there, I believe above 3R, I gotta start like trading candle by candle. I think like based on how Wheel trades. If I get above 3R, I gotta do the same as he does, I guess. But the thing is, this way I will very likely limit my trades to 3R most of the time. But sometimes maybe it runs for me like for I don't know 4 or 5. But I will never hit like a 10-hour runner. Maybe a 10-hour spike. Like I had a 10-hour trade or 7. No, actually it wasn't 10-hour. It was 7 or 8 hour because the market spiked super hard. So yeah. Hmm. What are you doing?
Nothing. I was just looking at the price, like where I was actually planning to enter. 665. Yeah.
I could only take a continuation trade here, so but I won't do that. I don't want to take continuation trades. I want to take trades off of at least internal sweep, if not like complete like normal liquidity sweeps in the 1 minute or the 15 minute, which is even better if I get those. All right, bro.
You done?
Almost. Getting close. If this one doesn't break out, then I'm done, I believe. Or done as for like, I don't know. I feel like actually I gotta go in like 2 hours or something, maybe less. So I have time to sit around. I can be done if this dear NQ comes back to this fair gap, then I can say I'm done, because then it's like very range bound. But at this point, it's still possible to close above this previous candle. So, and I like the fact that we tested this gap as well. It's okay. This is clear invalidation, 671. But this would be a momentum trade with a momentum invalidation stop loss, continuation invalidation, whatever, which I'm not really a fan of. This wick is the one to close over, also the high time frame level. Well,
You're done.
do you want to play some poker
No, bro.
together?
No, bro.
I might start a poker session if you want to watch.
Yeah. I don't know how to play poker.
You don't know at all.
No, not at all.
You don't know the rules, nothing.
Nothing.
What the? How is that? Like, nobody plays poker there, or why?
I've never played poker.
That's weird.
Okay. So you're done.
Well, yeah, it came back. Like, I can sit around and watch, and if something extraordinary happens at 5:35, I can be here, right? And that's the other thing we were waiting for. I don't care when it happens, to be honest, Abdul. I don't care if 5:35 is swept at 12. You don't want to trade that sweep, by the way.
No.
But it's about the market, how it moves. It's not about the time. Like, what do you think? It's gonna get choppy on 5:35
No, it won't. It might
because
trend.
it's 12.
Might trend.
What?
It might trend. It might trend after 12, like in the PM session. I'm not denying that. But I've never back tested the PM session. I've back tested only and only till 12, sorry, actually 11:40. But I still try till 12. But if I'm not getting anything after that, that does not line up with my system. So why would I want to trade that? I've never traded after 12. And as per my stats that I have visible, all the trades after 12, like majority of them, like losses. So if
Hearing,
I'm about,
I
like,
don't hear you well at all.
can you hear me now,
Let
bro?
me. Yeah, right now it's okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
what I'm
get what you're saying. I get it.
Yeah, so it's all right. Like I tried, in my point of view, I tried two trades, bro. Two perfectly valid trades. Because I was late, I missed this trade. This would have been like the perfect trade for me. Like there was a sweep through this. There was a fair value gap here. Inside the fair value gap, there was a sweep. All right. This was the inversion. I could have gone long here probably, making this as my stop loss 20 points. After this point, which is 1 to 1, I would have gone break even, targeting these highs, and then like after this, I would have trailed looking at such aggressive candles. I wouldn't want the price to come back into all these fair value gaps. So even if I would have gotten trailed out over here, I would have made almost 2 hours. So that would have been a good trade, which I missed because I got late. I totally lost track of time. And then I got a good trade. What was the next trade that I had? Just a second, let me see. Trade and execution marks. Yeah. I tried shorting this on 30 seconds. Can you see my charts?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I tried shorting this on the 30 seconds, somewhere over here. What was my price? 742. Yeah, exactly over here. And this was my stop loss. After it closed below this, I did not really feel like staying in it, so I went break even. I got break even again. This was a good trade too. If I would have respected my stop loss, then probably I would have won on it, at least targeting these lows.
Okay, that stop loss is not good your after that reversal.
Yeah, that's
So,
what. That was my
so that was
second.
a perfect
My
break even.
my second trade was good as well. My second trade was over here. I went in with like three contracts, somewhere over here, 35, yeah, 35. My stop loss was at oh 06. I was risking like 28 points. So I was up good, and then like I had to go break even. I trailed till 49. As I said, it ticked me out and then it's going back up again. So I'm pretty happy with the way I executed today. That is not the issue. I followed my system. I had to break even. What else can I complain about? I do not understand. So
All right.
as far as it goes after 12, I do not wish to trade after 12. The reason being I've never traded after 12. Most of my stats says after 12. It's like I'm already in front of the charts from past 2.5 hours. All right.
You can take breaks. It's fine.
Yeah, not breaks. That is the end. Like 12 should be end for me. I don't want to trade after 12. I want to be so. I stuck this in front of my monitor. Like I know you cannot see it. So there's this paper that I wrote to myself. You get paid to wait, not paid to trade. That's when money comes in. So I
That's what I'm
waited.
doing right now. I'm waiting. You waited only 2 hours out of 8 hours. I know you don't trade after 12, but
Bro, to be very honest, man, no offense to you, man, but you are like, you do not respect your own rules. I
I
mean
don't
that.
have a rule.
The
I
reason
don't
being,
have that rule. I
bro,
don't have the rule not to trade after 12. I just don't really
yeah,
trade
again,
without
like,
you. That's the thing.
the thing is, right now I have proof. Just a second. What am I? We have audio proof, like video proof. Just 3 or 4 days ago, it was 12. You moved your closing time till 12:30, and then I reasoned with you. I was like, bro, we never trade till 12:30. You're like, yeah, we did not. And then you moved it back till 12, and then you went out. After that, the market rallied, but then you were like, okay, it's all right. So it's
Yeah,
like
it's right because, but I don't have the rule set for that low. Like it can rally after 12. It sometimes chops around 12 and then it starts to rally, like afternoon rally or whatever, continuing the direction of the day. Right now we don't have the direction, but we have a sweep, so there's a potential to run all-time highs. We'll see what happens. Like if I write it down, that's my own rule then, new rule, because I didn't have a rule for 12.
hello.
It was your rule, which I adopted kind of with you.
कब आऊँगा टाइम लगेगा क्यों क्या हुआ Yes, brother.
Yes?
What's up?
I want to do some GG poker until something happens. By the way, I have this. Look.
So, bro, I have another meeting in 6 minutes. Okay.
Alright.
I
So I have
gotta
this.
go.
This is all everything about the rules.
Good day,
But this is for,
to be honest.
yeah, we had a good day. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Abdul.
Can you hear me, bro? Hello?
I don't hear. I hear you.
I
Do
cannot
you hear me?
you.
No, wait a second then. I don't know why.
Hello?
Hello. Let me read. Can you hear me?
No, bro, I cannot hear you. Wait.
Hello. Okay, now I hear you. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Perfect.
Okay, awesome.
I was just saying
So-
my